Instead of texting the girl that you like, why don't you receive the text from her? Because even if you think that you're a piece of shit and you think that she is absolutely beautiful, you can absolutely receive a flirtatious text from the girl that you like. But you must understand the secret of telepathy in order to do this. The secret of telepathy is learning how to use your own imagination and emotions. Because your only true power is your own imagination and emotion. You think that becoming interesting, you think that becoming good looking or tall or rich is going to get you the girl that you like. That's not true. The only thing that will get you the girl that you like is your own imagination and feelings that you hold inside of your body. So, tonight, before dropping off to sleep, if you can maintain, if you can sustain the emotion that you already have, the text that you want from the girl that you desire in your phone, and you're absolutely thrilled to receive this text message, and you sustain this emotion in your body for an extended period of time, and you drop off to sleep, then this imaginal act will get outpictured into your physical reality. Because physical reality is not real. Your physical reality is an extension of your own mind. This is the reason why yogis call our physical, visible reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical light. And I understood this during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup, and I thought game, pickup tricks, and psychology tricks helped me to get my first intimate relationship with a girl. But during COVID, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I started to meditate. And meditation taught me one thing, and that is my own imagination, my vivid imagination, and the feelings that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method actually created this intimate relationship in my physical world. Not game, not pickup tricks, not psychology tricks, but my imagination and feelings that I could sustain while reading a book. Now, the reason why I tell you to feel this emotion before dropping off to sleep is because during sleep, your subconscious mind is very receptive. A normal human being needs to put himself into a receptive attitude of my mind, either through yoga nidra or before falling asleep. Only then you are required to create an imaginal act where the girl that you desire is texting you, and you can see it in your phone. You can see the love emoji on your phone, and you look at her name, and you can see that she is calling you, and you pick up the phone and she's talking to you, she's complimenting you. Oh my god, you're so amazing, I'm so lucky to meet a guy like you. If you mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again, you're going to feel the feelings of thrill, satisfaction, accomplishment. And if you are able to sustain this elevated emotion of accomplishment or satisfaction, then your subconscious mind will take this imaginal act and will outpicture this imaginal act into your visible world. Your subconscious mind is so infinitely powerful that it is going to interact with every atom of your physical reality until whatever you have imagined actually happens to you. This is what I mean by telepathy. So stop texting girls and start imagining that you have already received the desired text from the girl that you absolutely adore. And when you can feel the feelings of accomplishment, joy, satisfaction that you have already received this text, then this imaginal act will actually happen to you. Now, if you want one on one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid imagination, solid attention span, so that you can mentally rehearse this imagination over and over again until you start to feel the feelings from it. And I will also teach you how to sustain these elevated emotions, because a normal human being has practiced feeling unworthy, bored, or some sort of negative emotions for so long that it might be difficult for him to feel these elevated positive emotions. But in my coaching, I will teach you all of these things so that you can completely disregard these dating tricks, pickup tricks, psychology tricks, and focus on developing your only true power, and that is your imagination plus feeling, which creates your physical life circumstances, which creates your visible reality. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.